Hey folks, welcome back to our epic keyboard review channel. Today, we've got an insane lineup of the hottest mechanical keyboards of 2023. We've scoured the interwebs to bring you the most lit options, so grab a snack, buckle up, and let's dive right into this keyboard extravaganza. Alright, let's kick things off with an absolute beast of a keyboard, the Logitech G Pro. When it comes to gaming, this bad boy is a game changer in every sense of the word. Built with precision and performance in mind, the Logitech G Pro is like the MVP of mechanical keyboards, designed to take your gaming experience to the next level. The moment you lay your hands on it, you'll feel the solid build quality and the weight that screams durability. It's crafted to withstand the intense gaming sessions, ensuring it never lets you down in the heat of battle. But it's not just about the tough exterior. The Logitech G Pro is packing some serious firepower under the hood. Equipped with highly responsive switches, every keystroke is registered with lightning-fast actuation, giving you that split-second advantage over your opponents. And let's talk about the RGB lighting, my friends. The Logitech G Pro lets you customize your keyboard's illumination to match your style and mood. With a full spectrum of vibrant colors and stunning effects, you can create a visual masterpiece that not only enhances your gaming setup, but also adds a touch of personality. Oh, and did I mention the detachable cable? Yeah, this bad boy comes with a detachable cable for easy transportation and storage, making it a dream companion for LAN parties and gaming tournaments. It's all about convenience, my friends. Next is ASUS ROG Azoth. This is a keyboard that's here to bring the heat and take your gaming experience to the next level. Designed specifically for the gaming enthusiasts out there, this keyboard is like a fire-breathing dragon, ready to unleash its power. The first thing you'll notice is its sleek and futuristic design that screams gamer. With its edgy lines, aggressive angles, and brushed metal finish, the ASUS ROG Azoth is an absolute stunner that demands attention. Equipped with high-quality switches, this keyboard offers a responsive and satisfying typing experience that's music to your fingertips. Each keystroke feels snappy and precise, allowing you to execute complex commands with lightning speed. Plus, with this Aurora Sync technology, you have a world of colors and effects at your fingertips. You could create your own unique light show that syncs up with your gameplay or your mood. But the ASUS ROG Azoth doesn't stop at just good looks and flashy lights. It's also packed with features designed to give you a competitive edge. With programmable macros and dedicated multimedia keys, you have complete control over your gaming experience. Execute complex commands with a single press, adjust audio settings on the fly, and never miss a beat. Next up, introducing the EPOMAKER EK68, a compact keyboard that packs a serious punch. Don't let its small size fool you, this keyboard is a true powerhouse with a personality of its own. With the EPOMAKER EK68, you get the best of both worlds, portability and functionality. Let's start with its compact form factor. The EK68 is designed to save precious desk real estate, making it ideal for those who crave a clutter-free gaming or workspace. Its sleek and minimalistic design will have heads turning, and its slim profile makes it easy to slip into your bag for on-the-go gaming or work sessions. With its hot swappable switches, you can easily swap out different switches to match your preferred typing experience. Want that satisfying clicky sound? Pop in some small tactile switches. Prefer a smoother, quieter feel? Opt for some linear switches. The choice is yours, and the EPOMAKER EK68 gives you the freedom to tailor your typing experience to perfection. Functionality-wise, the EPOMAKER EK68 is a winner. It offers multiple connectivity options, including both wired and wireless modes, giving you the flexibility to choose how you want to connect. The wireless mode allows for convenient cable-free operation, perfect for those who value a clutter-free workspace. Plus, its long-lasting battery ensures you won't be caught in the middle of an intense gaming session without power. Moving on, get ready to experience the power of compact gaming with the Razer Huntsman Mini. This mini keyboard is a true marvel, proving that big things come in small packages. Don't be fooled by its size, the Razer Huntsman Mini packs a punch that will leave you amazed. The first thing that will catch your attention is the sleek and minimalistic design. With its compact 60% form factor, the Huntsman Mini saves space on your desk without compromising on performance. Its small footprint means you have more room for sweeping mouse movements and can optimize your gaming setup to perfection. But what truly sets the Razer Huntsman Mini apart is its revolutionary Razer optical switches. These switches provide lightning-fast actuation and near-instantaneous response times, giving you a competitive edge in fast-paced gaming scenarios. The free presses feel satisfyingly crisp and precise, allowing for lightning-quick inputs that are crucial in intense gaming moments. The Huntsman Mini doesn't just stop at performance, it's also a visual feast for your eyes. Razer's Chroma RGB lighting takes center stage, with each key individually customizable with a vast array of vibrant colors and effects. Immerse yourself in a dazzling light show that syncs up with your gameplay or personal style. The Huntsman Mini allows you to create a truly unique and immersive gaming environment. This mini keyboard also offers a detachable USB-C cable, making it travel-friendly for LAN parties or on-the-go gaming. Next is Keychron Q1 Pro. This keyboard is a true game changer, offering versatility and performance that will leave you in awe. Whether you're a typing enthusiast or a gaming aficionado, the Keychron Q1 Pro has got you covered. Let's start with its unique feature, the Q1 Hot Swappable PCB. This innovative design allows you to easily swap out different switches without any soldering required. With a variety of switch options available, you can customize your keyboard to suit your preferred typing feel, whether it's clicky, tactile, or linear. It offers both wired and wireless connectivity, giving you the flexibility to choose how you want to connect. With Bluetooth 5.1, you can enjoy a stable and reliable wireless connection, perfect for a clean and cable-free desk setup. And if you need that extra bit of responsiveness, simply connect the included USB-C cable for a wired connection. And speaking of connectivity, the Keychron Q1 Pro supports multi-device pairing, allowing you to seamlessly switch between multiple devices with ease. Whether you're working on your laptop, tablet, or smartphone, the Q1 Pro has got you covered. It's all about efficiency and convenience. Lastly, we have the Corsair K100 AIR. This keyboard is an absolute game changer, combining cutting-edge technology, exceptional performance, and stunning design to deliver an unrivaled gaming experience. If you're serious about gaming, the K100 AIR is the keyboard you've been waiting for. With Corsair's ultra-fast slipstream wireless technology, you'll experience a lag-free and responsive connection that rivals wired keyboards. But don't worry, if wired mode is your preference, the K100 AIR has got you covered. It offers a high-speed USB connection for those moments when you need that extra bit of responsiveness or want to conserve battery life. It's all about flexibility and choice. The K100 AIR boasts also Corsair's renowned Axon hyperprocessing technology, delivering an unparalleled level of speed and precision. With an 8,000 Hz polling rate, each keystroke is registered and executed with astonishing accuracy. This keyboard is designed for the most demanding gamers who require lightning-fast reflexes and pixel-perfect precision. And let's talk about that RGB lighting, shall we? The K100 AIR takes customization to a whole new level with its per-key RGB backlighting. With vibrant and dynamic lighting effects, you can create a mesmerizing light show that syncs up with your gameplay or personal style. Immerse yourself in a world of colors that bring your gaming setup to life. Durability is also a key focus of the K100 AIR. Built with a durable aluminum frame, this keyboard is solid and reliable, ready to withstand the most intense gaming sessions. It's a keyboard that's built to last, ensuring it remains a trusted companion for years to come. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.